your boy, Elijah, everything, yeah!
No, he's taking my intro. Yo guys. No, my intro is yo guys, it's your boy Daniel.
When I get older, I'm gonna get my YouTube video. Which one do you want to be?
I don't know. I don't care.
I'm gonna be Mousy.
I'm gonna be...
I'm Mousy. I'm crawling Mousy.
No, don't look at me. No.
You're Bun. I'm not looking at you.
No, don't look at me. I see you. I'm looking at your iPad.
Stop!
Okay. Oh, he's looking at me.
I'm not. I'm going outside.
Okay, is he looking at me still? No. Guys, we might do a drawing video after this.
Kuya, pick your character. I'm not looking!
How about let's
Don't look at my iPad.
Oh my god, you look so creepy over there.
I'm not creepy! I'm gonna kill you!
Ah! Go.
You want me to kill you?
Okay, I'm gonna change my look.
You're Pony.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're right there. I'm by you. Kuya, why did you do that? That's not good.
Go.
Kuya, do I look so creepy?
Yeah, you look creepy.
I'm so creepy! Did I scare you?
No.
You're Foxy.
No, I'm not.
Kuya, stop doing that! Kuya, I'm looking at you on my iPad.
Guys, this is not gonna be an edited video. How about let's be Robbie?
You're Robbie.
Robin.
No, you're the you're. Yeah, that's so loud. I'm by you.
What do you want to go to? Let's go to both our homes. We belong at the mall.
Yeah. Let's go to my home first. Then you can't go. Only I can go. Let's go upstairs. My cage. We're going to my cage.
Yeah. Go in there. You belong in there.
No, I want to be all by myself.
No. Here, want me to be Mousy? Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can hang out with me.
Okay, Elijah.
So we can live in the cage.
Okay.
Be Mousy. Not the Mousy with the bunk. The crawling Mousy. Okay, go here.
I'm so slow.
No, you're not. You can go to vents.
Oh, you're
I'm
right
waiting for you.
there.
Okay, let's go to our home.
Okay.
Our arms are like going out.
Yeah.
And our screens. It's so slow to go up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Elijah, you want to know the strategy?
Yeah.
Since you can't see through the vents, just go like this.
Look, I have another way. This is another vent. Yeah, I'm gonna meet you. Yeah, where do you go? Oh, I see your arms and your ears.
No.
Yeah, stop.
I don't even know where I'm going.
Me too.
Guys, remember, on Monday, I'm not going to be uploading that much. But but Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to be uploading a lot for you guys. That
can you see me?
No, that you guys can get more of my content before
I'm out of the
go
cage.
to school.
I'm out of the cage. Go around. You can see me. Kuya, when you go straight...
My computer's about to die.
Hurry, Kuya!
Guys, if this video ends on accident, it's because my computer died. Go.
Hurry, put the charger on!
Ah! Go. Guys,
Where did you go?
I'm right here.
Kuya, I'm lost. I'm lost in the mall.
Elijah, just keep looking at my computer. Just tell me if it cuts off.
Okay. Coming. Looking at your computer.
Okay, good. I got it charged.
Hi, Mousy. I'm right here.
Guys, sometimes I get a heart attack.
Are we so creepy? We are creepy. We're sisters.
We're creepy sisters.
Oh. Another Mousy's here.
Elijah.
She's upstairs.
Elijah, how about, you know how in the video of me, with
yeah, they don't see you.
No, with the video with me and Amaru and you, should we do the sword thing?
We're babies. Mousy, we're babies. Can you adopt us?
No, Elijah, let's do the store thing where you ask like.
Yeah, I want to show the kids my look. I think it's time.
Kids. It's not kids. It's grown-ups. Grown-ups. It's probably 10
Look
years.
at my looks, grown-ups and kids. Do you like it? Like
No,
and today we are playing.
No, it's just we're pausing our vid. We're coming back. Sorry about that. Our grandma and grandpa came in.
No, not grandma and grandpa.
Nana, Papa,
it's my
whatever.
papa. Nana and Papa. Kuya, you're foxy.
Yeah, I am.
Kuya, I'm waiting for you. I'm mousy.
No, that's not me.
Yes, you are.
No, it's my twin.
Kuya, can you stop tricking me?
Okay. Actually, no, that's actually not me.
Who are you?
Actually, Elijah, I have a question. If you can fit through there, I'll tell you.
Look, I can fit too. See, look.
Okay, I'm Foxy.
I told you.
Stop tricking me, Kuya!
Stop!
Stop! Ow. Oh my god. Guys, TikTok is coming out of my TikTok channel.
Stop! I can crawl to vents here. You can't crawl.
I have a TikTok channel. I have an Instagram channel. I have everything.
Be Foxy.
No.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
be Foxy from the real game.
But you don't have Foxy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna crawl out.
Elijah, can we play real Piggy?
No.
Fine.
Fine.
I like escaping.
I don't like escaping. I can't get you. I think I will go in the vent.
I want to get chased by Mandy Mouse.
Mandy Mouse?
Yeah.
But Mandy Mouse is so creepy.
I don't care. I want to get chased.
I'm gonna crawl out of the vent.
Hold on, I want to change my look. I'm gonna change my look.
Stop copying me!
No, I'm gonna change my look.
Why?
Because.
Oh, you're not even changing your look.
No, I'm gonna act like this is the real Piggy.
Kuya?
Yeah?
I left the game.
What are you gonna play?
I'm
not even gonna put you in the titles. They're not gonna see you. If I put Elijah in the thumbnail, I won't get that much views. So if I put myself in the title, easy 100 views. Just kidding.
Wait, what's that?
Look, I have my channel.
Kuya, can you pause the video?
What?
Let me see what my mom is doing.
Hey guys! I said I'm gonna do that. Okay. Okay, now we're just gonna wait until what game Elijah chooses.
I'm picking this game.
Speedrun.
It's not working.
Press. Okay, what do you want to play?
Speedrun is not working.
What do you want to play then?
This.
Paradise Life.
It's not working. Kuya, I think I have to join you.
Okay. What do you want to play? No, we're back.
Hey guys!
Ah! Okay, we're in now.
So, Kuya, you in?
I am in.
Kuya, you're still in the piggy game.
No,
it's
hey,
me.
Siri. Hey Siri. I'm trying to activate Elijah Siri. Exit out of Roblox. No, exit out of Roblox. Here, then join back.
Okay. Is it out of Roblox?
Then go back in.
You can go back there.
Hi, Roblox.
Roblox. Even my friends are there. They're here. Marcus is not here.
Okay.
I can't click on Marcus.
How about just how about exit out of what do you call it and leave?
Exit out of Roblox?
Yeah, I'll come back.
Siri, exit out of Roblox for me, please. I'll just have
backflip. This I was playing speedrun.
Okay, it's not working.
Okay.
See?
Hold on, guys. We're gonna pause the video until Elijah comes back.
Bye, guys. Thank you for playing with us. Bye.
I gotta leave cousin Elijah's house, so hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.